This is Collecting Like Terms, brought to you by Energize Math. After this lesson, please visit energizemath.com to download this note. When you're looking for like terms, you're looking for things that have the same variables and the same exponents. Okay, so like term would be 6x and would be negative 3x. 5x would also be considered a like term. To the 7y, you need to look for another thing that has a y on it, and only a 1y. If there's no exponent, it is assumed to be a divisible 1. The 4x squared would have a like term with negative 2x squared. Okay. The 4x squared y, x squared and y, and the 5x squared y. They both have an x squared and a y. Those would be considered like terms. And then lastly, just the negative 3 and the 4 would be just considered like terms. If terms are alike, you can add or subtract them together. So like the 6x and the negative 3x and the 5x, you can add and subtract them all together. 6x, 5x, 11x, minus 3x, that would all just simplify down to being 8x, and the exponent doesn't change when you do that. So for example, if I have 7x and 3x, those are like terms. 7x, 3x, they're like terms. They can be simply just added together to get you 10x. If I have 9x squared minus 5x squared plus 3, only the 9x squared and the minus 5x squared are like terms, so they can be collected to become 4x squared, 9 strike 5 being 4, and then you just have your plus 3x. It cannot be collected together, it cannot be combined together because they have different exponents, so it must just stay as is. For a bit larger of a question, you have multiple terms, you want to collect like terms, get them all together. The first good idea is to write your like terms side by side. So my 8x squared and my 3x squared are like terms. It's a plus 3x. This plus will travel with that 3x squared. So I'll write them side by side. Then if I have any other like terms, like my plus 6x and my minus 4x, I will write them then side by side. Again, the signs traveling with the term. And then I have my minus 3 afterwards. Once they're side by side, I can collect them. 8x squared plus 3x squared becomes 11x squared. My plus 6x minus 4x becomes plus 2x. And then I just add my minus 3 afterwards. I cannot go any further because these are not like terms. It cannot be added or subtracted. Again, like terms must have the same variables and the same exponents. Okay, the coefficients can be different. This is Collecting Like Terms, brought to you by Energize Math. Please visit energizemath.com to download this note. Thank you very much.